Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First thing is open up your WhatsApp, then you tap on the three dots on the top right corner, tap on settings, tap on privacy, then you can see default message timer under here, under disappearing messages. Tap on it. Right now it's on off, so now you're going to turn it on. If you choose 24 hours, it means that when you start a new chat, to start the disappearing message timer that's set 24 hours. After 24 hours, that message will disappear. If you choose 7 days, it means you start a new chat with a disappearing message timer set to 7 days. After 7 days, all new messages will disappear. Choose 90 days, the same thing, all new messages disappear after 90 days. So you choose the one you prefer. It's as simple as that. Note that this does not affect your existing chats. If you want it to affect your existing chat, you have to select the existing chat first before putting the timer on it. It's as simple as that. If you want to apply disappearing messages to your chat or existing chat, just tap on this by selecting them here. This green one over here. Yes, I want to do that. You see you can now choose where you want to apply disappearing message, which chat you want to apply disappearing message. Let's say you want to do it here. You choose it and then you tap on the green dot here, and that's you've applied 90 days disappearing message to that particular chat. It's as simple as that.